Hi there, my name is Gabriel Garofado. I'm an award-winning Broadway-credited voice coach. I've devoted the last 20 years of my life teaching live and in-person communication skills to elite scientists, presidents, CEOs, entrepreneurs, attorneys, consultants, and also for corporations like Google, Amazon, Facebook, NASA, JPL, the list goes on and on. Now, I could sit here and tell you the importance of communication and how it could make or break your career, but you already know this stuff. That's why you clicked this video. What sets me apart from everyone else, unlike other communication instructors who regurgitate the same jargon over and over, that stuff you could find for free on YouTube. My complete communication masterclass is designed to give you the edge on your communication skills. I will be teaching you the exact same skills and techniques professional stage actors use to command an audience. Think about it. Ever wonder how stage actors can grab the attention of an audience for over 2 hours with dynamic, articulate, and memorable communication skills? This is the only place where you will learn exactly that. I will extract the best of the best techniques that can be easily translated to any communicational situation, leaving your audiences mesmerized and wanting more. I will be providing you with specific exercises and techniques that you could rely on and that will be there for you when you need it. This is your one-stop shop for everything communication. This course is ideal for anyone looking to master the communication skills in public speaking to a small or large audience, presentational skills, memorization, projecting and commanding your voice, listening, assertiveness, impactful first impressions, job interviews, persuasion, how to seal the deal, and so much more. You will see instant results. Take the first step on getting the edge, and let's propel your career to the next level together. See you on the other side.